Hello, and welcome to Learning Abroad 101, hosted by the Institute for Global Engagement. Thank you so much for taking the time to familiarize yourself with your options to learn abroad. Today, we're going to talk about how you can take your education beyond the classroom, expand your horizons, and make learning abroad a seamless part of your degree at U of H. So, why should you consider learning abroad? You can enhance your university experience. Going abroad allows you to take unique courses and engage in experiential learning that simply can't be replicated in a traditional classroom setting. You can explore a new culture. You'll immerse yourself in a completely different way of life, traditions, and environments in ways that traditional academics don't allow. You can improve or acquire language skills. Whether you're starting a new language from scratch or looking to become fluent, living in country is the best way to master a different language. Additionally, you can learn about yourself. Stepping out of your comfort zone helps you gain independence, confidence, and fresh perspectives on the world around you. Beyond personal growth, learning abroad offers massive professional advantages. Employers actively seek out candidates with international experience, adaptability, and cross cultural communication skills. Why? A person that has the fortitude to live and learn outside of the country shows employers a variety of soft skills a candidate will likely possess. These skills are vital to succeed in any career. In a multicultural city like Houston, these skills are even more important since you will likely be working with various people from different cultural backgrounds. You'll build relationships with peers, professors, and professionals across the globe that will end up being part of your professional network. Additionally, participating in a learning abroad program helps you earn points towards the Global Citizen credential right here at U of H, enhancing your resume even further, which will be paramount in securing jobs in your early career. The research shows learning abroad alum have better career prospects, and the majority agree that they have learned skills that have helped them in their career. Where can you go? The opportunities are vast. We offer programs in over 80 countries and more than 100 cities around the world. Most importantly, there's an option for every student, whether you're looking for coursework, an internship, research opportunities, or community engagement, you can find a program that fits your professional or academic goals. Let's talk about requirements and academic planning. To be eligible through the Learning Abroad office, you need at least 12 credit hours completed at U of H for undergrads and 9 credit hours for graduate students. Additionally, you need a cumulative GPA of 2.5 or higher. An important note is some programs may have additional GPA requirements or course prerequisites. When it comes to academics, for affiliated and exchange programs, you must complete a course equivalency form known as a CEF before departing to guarantee your credit transfers back smoothly. Our team will help you along this process. Remember, grades earned abroad will count towards your UH cumulative GPA, so academic focus remains key. So, who is learning abroad actually for? Learning abroad is for everyone. It is for all identities, all majors, all budgets, and all availabilities. How these factors shape your plan will vary, but our office is dedicated to helping you make an informed decision that best aligns with your goals. Your safety and well being are our top priorities while you're abroad. Every U of H student on a learning abroad program is enrolled in international health and emergency insurance automatically. We also recommend you register with the U.S. State Department's Smart Traveler Enrollment Program for real time security alerts. Additionally, you'll be supported 24/7 by our Learning Abroad office and UHPD, even abroad. While in country, there will be staff or faculty to support you as well. Wherever your journey takes you, you're never navigating it alone. To wrap things up, here are the main takeaways. Who can learn abroad? Anyone who meets the baseline eligibility requirements. No matter your availability, identity, finances, or major, there are options for every student. Choosing to go abroad involves many moving parts, but if you have the drive, we are here to help you get there. Why study abroad? It provides unforgettable, unique experiences, builds career readiness, and gives you a broader understanding of your place in the world. Thank you so much for your time today, and don't forget to continue on to the next video about program types and their various lengths. Go Cougs!